days after a policeman was mowed down by a tractor in Vellore while conducting a raid on the illegal sand mining mafia. Now, documents accessed by Times Now show how really the state government officials were colluding with the sand mafia. In fact, the DMK turning the heat on Jayalalitha, demanding a CBI probe into the allegations.
He paid the price for honesty. Head Constable Kanak Raj, another casualty falling prey to the powerful sand mafia in Tamil Nadu. And after Times Now exposed how the state environmental assessment body issued illegal clearances for sand mining in the state, DMK coming out with a knee-jerk reaction, demanding a CBI probe into illegal sand mining.
See, this has been happening for the past 3 years, and there are complaints and there are agitations from the local people that illegal mining is happening, and this government is not listening to these agitations, not bothered about these agitations. It has to be investigated by an outside agency. There are many cases about this government which has to be investigated by an outside agency.
Earlier this year, the Supreme Court had called for strict monitoring of sand mining in states. But Tamil Nadu clearly paying no heed to the apex court's ruling.
States have just been giving these licenses, and now this Supreme Court has mandated that the rules should be framed, and based on the rules only the clearances can be given.
This is an exclusive copy of an environmental clearance issued by the Tamil Nadu government for a sand mining quarry in Kanchipuram district. Now, there are two things wrong with this particular clearance. Number one, the fact that this clearance has been issued on the basis of draft rules without taking any proper legislation into consideration. And number two, the fact that no clearance has been sought from the Union Ministry of Environment and Forests, which is mandatory as per a Supreme Court judgment.
With Sandhya in Chennai, Poonam Burde for Times Now.